Question number 25. A guitar string is plucked. Which statement describes the resulting waves? When you strike a guitar, when you pluck a guitar string, what happens? Now this will now start vibrating like this over here, which means now this is vibrating in this way, right? So longitudinal strings waves on the string cause longitudinal waves in the air. Do we get a longitudinal waves in a string? No, we don't get a longitudinal wave in a string, right? So when it is moved like this, see, so you do not create a longitudinal wave in a string. So this is incorrect. Of course, you create a sound wave in the air. Okay, longitudinal waves on a string cause transverse waves. So you are not creating a transverse wave because you are creating a sound wave. So this is also incorrect. Okay, so at the same reason, this is also incorrect, right? And transverse wave on the string. So actually, the strings, this one causes vibrating. Okay, of course, it sets up a stationary wave. So transverse waves on the string causes longitudinal waves in the air. So therefore, C is the right answer.